Hello everyone, how are you today? In this short video, I'm going to show you how to use honey to make face masks to reduce acne scar. Like green tea, honey has medicinal benefits and is rich in flavonoids and antioxidants. Honey helps in weight loss and improves eyesight. Its physical application helps you to have glowing skin and very bright and beautiful hair. With its antifungal properties, honey wards off bacteria, which means less breakouts for people with sensitive skin or those with acne prone skin. Here's how to make our face masks to reduce acne scar. You're going to need 2 tablespoons of honey, preferably raw or organic honey. We are going to need 1 tablespoon of rose water. If you do not have rose water, you can use distilled water at home. We're also going to need 1 tablespoon of sunflower oil. I chose sunflower oil because it helps to prevent breakouts. It's very good. We will need 1 tablespoon of fuller's heart. Fuller's heart is also called Multani meaty clay. It is very popular in India. In India, they use fuller's heart and sandalwood clay a lot because those 2 clay help to rid the skin of bacteria and tighten the pores. That is basically what we're going to need. Here is the instruction on how to mix them. You're going to mix all the ingredients in a bowl, meaning you are going to add the honey, fuller's heart, also called Multani meaty clay. You're going to add rose water or distilled water and sunflower oil in a bowl. You're going to mix everything together. Then you're going to apply the mask on your face. Ensure you avoid the sensitive eye areas. Leave it on between 10 to 12 minutes and rinse it off with lukewarm water. For dry skin, do not exceed 10 minutes leave on time. For oily skin, leave it on for 15 minutes. Here is a good thing about this wonderful mask. This mask will not only help reduce appearance of acne and its scars, it also lightens the suntan. A very good tip here is that you can add egg white to the recipe to tighten the pore. The egg white will act as a natural Botox. It's very helpful. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you have any question, feel free to drop it in the comment box below. I got one question from one of us asking me to tell her the best skincare products in the world. I can't really tell that, but I'm going to make a video shortly on the best way to know the best skincare product to use. Thank you so much for watching.